What up, folks? It's your man Jay back with another video, man. I haven't done any videos on the Mini. So I cleaned it up, man. I just came from the car wash. I was just trying to wash it and get it back into the garage before she gets back. You know, it was dirty, you know what I'm saying? So I hadn't washed it in a while. So just wanted to clean it up before she got home. So I wanted to stop and do a quick video real quick before I got back to the neighborhood. This car's, and I haven't driven it obviously since the last time I put a video in, since it was new, because she drives this. But it's clean, man. It's fast, man. It's really nice. I drove it in sport mode, and whoa, this thing moves out, man. It's got 160 on the dash. It's only like 100 some horsepower or something like that. I don't know what it is, but it moves out. It's got a little bit of pull to it. That little turbo kicks in and it moves out. So cleaned it up, shined up. Let's hit that wide angle again. I love that wide angle. Yeah. I cleaned it up, get it shined up, put it back away so she can drive it again and, you know, enjoy it. I like that it's black on black. The black on black is real fire, man. I really like this. I like it. Black wheels, black leather interior, black car. I could really black it out, you know what I mean, for her, and you know, make all of this black right here too, all this chrome. But she might, I think she likes it like this. So if she tells me she wants to change it, I'll change it. But other than that, yeah, this thing is fire right here, man. If you own a Mini Cooper, I know this is a MOPAR channel, but people search YouTube for all kinds of cars and stuff like that. So if you drive a Mini Cooper, or you know somebody that drives one, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like it. Actually, this thing is nice, man. Wide angle. This thing is real nice. Really nice, man. So, I mean, the setup, I love black cars, but I don't personally don't want to have one to own because I have to wax it a lot. And the black is hard to keep clean. It really is. So this one's been doing really good though. I mean, it sits in the garage, so it's not like it's outside. That bubble eye. I love that bubble eye effect, man. It's crazy right there, son. I love that. Yeah, but this one doesn't sit outside at all. It doesn't sit outside at all. So, you know, unless when we're out somewhere, if she's out somewhere at work or something like that. But it sits in the garage and it's there most of its life. But it's a beautiful car, man. It's a beautiful car. I even thought about getting me that limited edition version of this. It's like 400 horsepower. They make them every 10 years. I thought about getting one. I went to the dealer and got the brochure for it. It's only $44,000 for that car. And that car moves out. So it's got a body kit, fat spoiler on the back. I went through all of the stuff with him, the guy, you know what I'm saying? I was like, you know, I could do it. But I'm hesitant. I'm, you know, just seeing what's up for now. Seeing what it is. But this is a MOPAR channel. You know what I mean? This was going to be a Fiat, for those that don't know. This is going to be an eibach, but, you know, she wanted a 2020, and there are no 2020 eibachs. At least there wasn't when I bought this, when we got this at the beginning of the year, or whenever we got this a few months back. So, nonetheless, this is a nice whip. Since then, I will tell you, since then we've got the weather mats. Got these from the Mini dealer. Got the official Mini weather mats. It's nothing but the weather techs. Got it for the front and back. Let's see. It's nothing but the official weather tech ones. That's all it is. It's just these weather tech ones that you get, you know, from that weather tech or whatever, but that's all it is. Found some money. Yeah, that's all this is. It's just a weather tech joint. But other than that, that's the only thing I think we put in this car was those weather mats from the Mini dealer. They was 100 and it was 200 something, I think, but I got a military discount, so I got them for 180 or whatever. So, you know, after taxes or whatever. So that was good. But yeah, man, update on the channel. Still doing the doggone thing. I'll post more videos when I can, folks. See you in the next one. Take care.